Hi everyone, first one of the day just done. I've got 15 cleans to do today. I've had 2 skips, 2 have been rescheduled, so we'll do them later on next week probably. But I don't know if I can show you. This is the first one we do. It's a big building up here. 3 levels of windows to do. So yeah, I've got, well, just let me have a look. We've got 11 more cleans to go. We've just done 2. They're 2 big cleans, so we've got them out of the way. Mixture of houses and bungalows. Hopefully we should bounce through these all right. It's been a tough couple of days, so I could do with something going right. Yesterday, bit of a long day, few things that threw the timings out, so I finished late, and to top it off I got a flat tyre bolt stuck in it, so got to get that one sorted. Luckily I could nip home, get the spare, come back, put it on the van, up and running. Onwards and upwards. I've had to nip home. I've got to refill up the tank. Those who watch my channel probably know, and like most people, I've got a 1,000 litre IBC tank in the shed with reverse osmosis and DI set up in there, static, so it's making pure water while I'm working basically. And I've got a submersible pump, so I'm transferring water now as I speak into my main tank, so that'll only take about 3 minutes, job done. And then once that's done, we're going to turn around and head back out. But for work that's close to home, that's obviously really good. But this particular day, it's not too bad, but it's about a 20-minute drive from Wisbeach to my house, depending on where you are in Wisbeach. So it took me 20 minutes to get here, say 20 minutes to get back, so that's 40 minutes gone, plus about 5-10 minutes to fill this up. So you might as well just round that up to an hour. So that's what it's going to cost you. But it is what it is. We had a really couple of big cleans on today, so that's cleaned us out of the water, that's why. And I've only got my daughter for just about another hour by the time we get back out there carrying on till she's got to go. So anyway, 6 left to do. Will we make it? Keep watching. That's it, 15 cleans done today, so we got there in the end. Picked up a new customer today as well. It's right where we've got 3, so with them now 4 houses side by side, all in a row, so that's good. It's handy when it works out like that anyway. Yeah, weather-wise, can't wait for summer to get here. It's trying, but it's now dropped in temperature and it's got really windy, but at least I got my work done. I was able to get it done. There's been a few days this month already where I haven't worked because of the weather, so yeah, you feel it in your pocket, don't you? Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.